To make a triangle hedgehog like this, start by cutting lots of triangles from coloured paper or card. Then, for the hedgehog's body, stick your triangles down to make a pointy shape like this. Next, add 2 smaller triangles for feet, a big triangle for the face, and smaller triangles for an ear and a nose. Add stickers for eyes and finish off your hedgehog with a pen. Brilliant! What a terrific triangle hedgehog, Scraps! Well done! And you can make any sort of triangle creature you like. Some terrific triangle pictures here. Look at this one that Iman has made. Wow, what is it, Iman?
It's a bat.
It's a beautiful bat made with lots of triangles. And what colours have you gone for?
I've used dark purple and light purple.
Very nice indeed. And you've used stickers for the eyes. And what else for a finishing touch?
I've used a pen to do legs and a smile.
Well, it looks brilliant. Well done. Oh, we're under the sea for Rojan's picture. What is it, Rojan?
It's a shark.
It's a super shark. Look at that. Made out of lots of triangles, including some triangles for these sharp things here. What are they?
Sharp teeth.
Very sharp teeth. Important if you're a shark. Look at this picture by Marsha. What did you use, Marsha?
I used lots of orange and yellow triangles, stickers for the eyes, and a pen to draw a mouse and the whiskers.
Well, you did really, really well. That is a fantastic cat.